What's going on, everybody? Mustafa here with another review. I hope that you are all safe and well. Today I will be reviewing the Sony WF-XB Extra Bass True Wireless Earbuds. Alright, let's dive into it. The box is pretty detailed. It basically tells you exactly what you're going to get with this product here. Two things that I wanted to mention is the 9-hour plus 9-hour in the bottom here. What that means is that if the earbuds are fully charged, they can last you 9 hours, and the case can also last you 9 hours. So together you can have up to 18 hours of playtime. Another thing is that the IPX4, and some people usually get it confused. The IPX4 does not mean that this product is waterproof. What it means that this product is water resistance. In other words, it's splash resistant. So it can resist against sweat, against a raindrop, but it's not something for you to, swim with. It's not going to be able to hold underwater or anything like that. The second box, which is inside the outer box, obviously it comes in pure black, nothing extravagant. I've actually had some people complain about the packaging of it. I'm one of those people, honestly, I really don't care about the packaging of it. As long as the product that I'm buying, it's doing or it does what I'm paying for it to do, I can care less about the box. So again, the box is pretty simple, nothing special. It comes in two colors, by the way, the blue and the black. When you open the box, the case and the earbuds are laid out for you. The case is made of translucent cover that allows you to see the charging status. Underneath that, you have your charger, and of course the 4 different hybrid silicone rubber that comes in different sizes, and of course you can pick and choose which size works for you. Putting them on is pretty basic. I found the easiest way to do it is to hold them upside down with the left and right ear indicator, of course upside down, and put them gently into your ear canals and twist. The same thing with the other, upside down, put them into your ear canal gently and twist, and they can literally stay excuse me, for as long as you need them to. Alright, so price. They range from $63 to $129, and I'm sure if you look it up on eBay, you may even find them cheaper there. So why you should buy them? 2 things. Price, of course, and then performance. They are extremely cheap for what they are capable of, and they are literally, they can last you up to 3 days. Those 18-hour promised, it's actually spot on. They are not perfect now, don't get me wrong, but this buy you will not regret it. Thanks for watching. If this review have pushed you anywhere near wanting to buy this product, give me that thumbs up, and let me invite you to subscribe. I have plenty more contents coming, plenty more reviews coming. Until next time, stay safe.